Hey guys, this is Augustina with the News Chronicle, and just to bring you an update about the embarked with American rapper Diddy. You all remember Diddy, right? He's an American rapper and singer who has been in jail for assault, rape, and so recently, he fell ill and had to be rushed to the hospital. Well, according to the news, this is not a new case. He has an ongoing health issue that has been bothering him and he has been dealing with it for a while. So it came up and he had to be rushed to the hospital. So these and many more is in our news today, and I would like you to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Tell us what you want to see, tell us what you want to read about, and we are available to do that. Thank you. Happy reading.